Hi guys, today I'm preparing my bike for the winter and I'm going to use for the first time the ACF50 anti-corrosion compound that has been specifically designed for the aerospace industry. I've heard a lot of good stuff about it, so now I've decided to test it on my bike as well. As I said, this is a first for me, so if I miss anything, just let me know in the comment section. I do hope this will help many of you out there looking to protect their motorcycles against corrosion during wet months. Without further ado, let's get to work. I highly recommend adding some cardboard on the bike, as well as covering the wheels and the front and rear foot pegs to protect them from coming in direct contact with the lubricant. It's very greasy and you definitely want to avoid that. After a very thorough lubrication, it's time to leave it for 30 minutes to soak in and then start cleaning the bike. One last point to note, the engine and exhaust will smoke on first start and burn off downpipes for about 20 to 30 minutes. That's it guys, I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, maybe you'll give me a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to my channel for more content just like this. My name is Christian from Live to Travel and I really look forward to seeing you in the next one. Thank you.